Let's take it over to Mike Shorr. He's a day trader for Prosper Trading Academy. Mike, what do you have for us today?
Yeah, so this is a little bit of a lesson in day trading in general, because I don't have a very, very strong overly bullish or overly bearish tone to this market right now. We've seen at least the short-term lows have been kind of put in, but it's hardly you can say bullish. And then being bearish, it's like, wow, we're really selling this stuff kind of in the hole. And so what I like to do is I like to find two stocks that are highly correlated. So for example, Etsy still it has a support level down in that in those low 80s, and then you have something like Baba, same kind of space, right? E-commerce. One is obviously Chinese, the other one is American owned, or at least based, and you have Baba up sitting right now in the at its 50-day moving average, which doesn't make a whole heck of a lot of sense to me. So not that you just want to put one against the other, but as things rally, well, then you sell the thing that has resistance in it, which is Baba. As things come down, be able to trade from the call side with something like Etsy. I do the same thing with AMD, MU, and NVIDIA. Apple, Facebook, Microsoft tend to work in tandem. Obviously, your USO, so that's your oil. Oil is not the best thing to trade from an option standpoint from the retail side. So trading something like XOM with ExxonMobil or Oxy, Occidental Petroleum, those are great things to be able to use as proxies. So, not having to say, well, I'm just long, but, piece yourself in and out of this without taking a huge bullish or bearish play all by itself.
This is a challenging market, and it is hard to get too bullish or too bearish. If you had to pick one, what would it be?
And if I had to, I guess I would lead from the long side, just because we've gotten hit so badly, and we've actually seen a little bit of green shoots popping up here. But, I don't think this is time just to start, until we start seeing some real economic data come in. And I'm not just talking 1 point, at least 2 months worth, where we see not only is inflation controlled, but is actually discernibly coming down. That will be, and then you'll see a rally. And if that doesn't happen, well, then we're going to make new lows.
Thank you so much, Mike.
All right, thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.